New Schnail case. Very nice, very durable. Let's see how durable, right? Just kidding. Why would I do that? I love this phone. Hey guys, TechLuvnMomma here, and I got a new case for my Samsung Note 20 Ultra. This one is by Schnail, and this is their Titan series. Thank you to Carl for sending this out to me. So you get in the box the little pamphlet that tells you how to install it and also warranty information. And you want to take it apart, so you have to take off the frame. So I do enjoy my purple case, but when I need something more durable, I look to my Schnail or Armadillo Tech case. So this is a two-part case. You're going to want to take the frame off the case, and then of course you wipe down your phone if you want, and you want to put the frame on first. And I like to put the button side on top corner first, especially where the power button is located, and then just work your way around, getting the lip over, and you're good to go. Buttons click really nice. Has a nice little grip on the side, flap to cover your charging port. The charging wire fits nice. This is the Samsung wire, but the cutout's pretty good. Cutout for the S Pen, speaker, everything looks good. So the kickstand, it just slides down. It was a little bit of work to click it into place. Felt like I was going to break it, but it didn't break. It just felt like it. I was having a little bit hard time of unclicking it out of the spot so you could close the kickstand. It holds it in portrait mode and landscape mode, no problem. For a big device, that's nice to have. It's a very nice, durable, military grade drop protection case by Schnail. They also have Armadillo Tech type cases for, say, Note 10 Plus that I have, and works fantastic. So here I'll show you how you can wireless charge with it, no problem. And that's with laying down flat, and here is with it standing up. That was my Samsung wireless charger that I've had for about a year now. Thank you again to Carl for sending this case out to me. It's great. I highly recommend it to anyone who needs really good protection. Thank you so much for coming by and watching. I appreciate all of you who come by, take the time to watch, like, and share. I'm TechLuvnMomma. Until next time, bye. Definitely would not chance throwing this around. I know it's a durable case. I just don't like taking that type of chance. You can if you buy the phone and you get the Schnail case, then you could have first-hand experience. I know plenty of people who use the Schnail cases and say they're amazing, you can throw it around, whatever. That's not me, because I don't have the money to replace it or fix it if by chance I do something bad to it. So, but trust me, they're good, they're durable.